This plain paper bag is engineered to bloom like a balloon and turn hard kernels into popcorn in minutes.
It starts with two key materials: strong craft paper for the bag and a special metallized film that helps heat. The paper unwinds as one continuous sheet, kept perfectly aligned so every bag later folds the same way. Next comes a food-safe barrier coating, so oil won't soak through and the bag stays strong under heat. A controlled drying tunnel sets that coating fast, turning wet chemistry into a clean, durable surface.
That shiny film is the susceptor, the part that converts microwave energy into heat right where it's needed.
The film gets cut into precise patches, small rectangles that will become the bag's heating engine.
Robotics place each patch with millimeter precision, too far off center, and the bag heats unevenly.
Pressure bonds film to paper, strong enough to survive folding, heat, and a very oily workload.
Some bags get printed designs, done at speed, perfectly registered, and kept food safe from start to finish. Then the sheet is split into lanes, multiple bag streams from one master roll for maximum throughput.
Now the converting line takes over, threading the web through folding stations that will shape each bag.
Folding boards bend the paper into a tube, positioning that susceptor patch inside exactly where the popcorn needs heat.
A precise glue seam seals the side, strong, flat, and consistent so the bag won't split when pressure builds. Gussets are formed next, the engineered folds that let the bag expand like a bellows during popping. The bottom is folded and sealed into a flat base, so the bag sits right and holds everything securely. A cutter separates each bag, and stackers keep them aligned. Uniform shape is crucial for fast filling.
Vision systems check the details, patch position, seam quality, and folds, rejecting anything that could fail in a microwave.
Now the bags become popcorn. Kernels are weighed and dropped in, fast, exact, and consistent, bag after bag. A metered dose of oil goes in next, enough to coat the kernels and carry flavor without soaking the paper. Seasoning follows, added like a tiny snowfall, controlled so it coats evenly instead of clumping. The top gets folded and sealed, tight enough to protect freshness, but designed to vent safely when popping.
After final weight and safety checks, samples get test popped because the real finish line is that clean, steamy pour.